Good morning. I'm in the garden. Well, not in the garden. I'm getting ready to have my coffee. And look at this beautiful, beautiful bloom. This is an Austin rose. I've had it for a few years, and it's just beautiful. I'm going to take you over to my irises. Hold on. Now, who doesn't love irises? This is, I think, the second year is they have been blooming over here. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my God. The color is so rich. Wow. Nature is just awesome. Here's one that's newly opened. The colors is just so fascinating. Who could believe that? Nature could make such beautiful, beautiful things. Okay, next I'm going to take you over to my peonies. And here are my white peonies. I just got the cage to cage them up so they stand a little straighter. The beauty and artistry of nature is unmatched. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh. An artist couldn't paint them. That's beautiful. I love it. I'm walking you over to another set of peonies that came from the same bush that I dug up and redistributed on the property. Oh my gosh. I haven't gotten to this garden yet to do. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blooms. Just gorgeous. These roses seem to have a touch of pink. Just a touch of pink. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Of course, I love my pink roses. Oh my gosh, they smell so nice. If you like a little Weigela in your life, pink colors are just beautiful. Here's the wine color Weigela. This is his second year, and the first year it just took off, and it's just all over. I will trim it to make it a little bit neater after it blooms. Gorgeous. Here's another set of peonies that I broke apart from the original mother, and they are about to burst open. Wow, just beautiful. My autumn twist back there. I love this bush. It just are these spider mites?